This video reflects my personal opinions only and is for educational purposes. It does not constitute any investment advice. All investments involve risk. Please assess carefully before making any investment decisions. Is AI taking away SaaS profits? That's the big fear right now. The entire SaaS software sector has pulled back. And not because earnings are bad. In fact, many companies are beating expectations. But investors are worried. They're asking, will generic AI agents replace SaaS? Will SaaS become just a legacy infrastructure layer? Will profit margins collapse? Will PE ratios never go back to historical levels? Today, I want to break this down logically. From a technical perspective, first, let's define the concern. When people say generic AI agent, they're talking about AI systems like OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft Copilot, and other cross-platform AI agents. These systems can schedule tasks, execute workflows, connect multiple software tools, automate end-to-end processes. So the fear is this: if AI can orchestrate everything across different SaaS platforms, then maybe the real value shifts to the AI layer, not the SaaS software layer. And if that's true, then SaaS companies lose pricing power, margins shrink, and valuation multiples stay permanently lower. That's the bearish argument. But here's where I think the market is oversimplifying. Not all SaaS software is equal. There are two categories: one, simple SaaS software; two, complex, deeply customized SaaS software, simple SaaS. Tools with thin business logic. Yes, those are at real risk. AI can replicate or replace them. But complex SaaS platforms, that's a completely different story. These platforms have deep business logic, years of customization, enterprise integrations, compliance rules, mission-critical workflows, massive embedded customer data. You don't just replace that with a generic AI agent. That's not practical. It's not efficient. And it's extremely risky for enterprises. Here's the key shift. Generic AI agents will not directly replace complex SaaS systems. Instead, they will sit on top of them. In fact, AI agents will most likely call the SaaS platform's own AI agent, not bypass it. Why? Because the SaaS company understands its own business logic better than anyone else. A generic AI doesn't deeply understand every internal rule, workflow constraint, or compliance framework. So what happens? AI agents orchestrate, but SaaS platforms execute. That means more automation, more workflow volume, more system usage, more task execution, which leads to something important: potentially more monetization. Right now, most SaaS software charges by seats, headcount, user licenses. But if AI agents are doing the work instead of humans, why would pricing stay seat-based? The natural evolution is toward consumption-based pricing, task-based pricing, workflow-based pricing. And here's the interesting part: AI doesn't reduce work, it increases output. Companies don't cut budgets just because AI improves productivity. They usually keep the same budget and try to do more automation, more workflows, more execution, which could actually increase total spend inside the platform. So do I believe all SaaS companies will recover? No. The weak, simple, thin layer SaaS businesses, some will disappear. But the complex, deeply integrated SaaS platforms, I believe the market may be underestimating them. If they successfully transition from seat-based pricing to consumption-based models, if AI increases total workflow volume, then margins may remain strong and PE multiples could normalize or even expand again. Now, short term. Sentiment is negative. Investors are cautious. Stocks may stay depressed for 6 to 18 months. But long term, the question is not, will AI destroy SaaS? The real question is, which SaaS companies evolve with AI and monetize it? That's where the opportunity is. That's all for today's sharing. If you find this video helpful, you're welcome to join my WhatsApp community by scanning the QR code on the screen. I share my latest market views and updates there from time to time. You can also follow my Facebook page where I post all my content and updates. I'm Funman101. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.